Hey guys, so in this video I will show you how you can fix Fall Guys voice chat is not working, right? It's quite easy, simple, and it really doesn't matter if you're using PS4, PS5, Xbox, PC or Nintendo Switch. The process will be pretty much the same because on default Fall Guys voice chat is turned off. So what you need to do here is turn it on and probably it will work for you, right? So first, what you need to do here is, of course, to load up your Fall Guys, and then you should see a similar window like I'm seeing here right now. And as you can see on the top right corner, there is a little gear icon. So this is the options. So I'm on controller, I need to press options button to get there. And then new menu pops up. And then you need to press on audio here. And once you're here, then scroll down until you see party voice chat. And as you can see here, on default is turned off. So what you need to do here is to enable, and that's pretty much it what you need to do here, and it probably will work if your microphone is not muted and working. Right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.